Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Marisol. Thank you for being here and welcome. And please do consider subscribing and hit the bell for notifications. Sure appreciate it. So it's another cooking vlog. Today I am going to share with you my very own creamy chicken breast recipe. And this recipe is almost like Alfredo sauce. And this is so perfect to make, especially this upcoming holiday season. So without any further ado, let's get started. And here are the ingredients. Okie dokie, it's taste time. Wow, it's very tender. Alright, here's the moment of truth. There you go. It is so good and it's so yummy. You will definitely want this with rice or over pasta. I hope you try this at home. It always has been a quick and easy yummy dinner for me, and I know you will love this. Give this video a thumbs up if you did learn and enjoy, and hope you consider subscribing and hit the bell for notification. And I'll see you in my next one, love. Keep safe, everybody. Bye. Mwah. Oh, I guess I need one more bite. Okay, I'll finish this off the camera. Bye now.